and shining good morning to all of you, my dear students. I hope you all are good and safe at home. Yesterday we did exercise 12.2 Heron's formula, and today we will do the next sum of this exercise. The seventh sum is here. Clear? The solution of seventh sum. Firstly, I will tell you the statement. A kite is in the shape of a square with diagonal 32 centimeter. Here a kite is given and it is in the shape of a square. Clear? And an isosceles triangle of base 8 centimeter and the side 6 centimeter is to be made of 3 different shades as shown in this figure. We have to find out how much paper of each shade has been used in it. We have to find out how much paper of each shade. It means this kite is made of 3 different shades. We have to find the separate area of all 3 shades. Let the first shade, this is the first part, this is the second, and this is our third shade. And we have to find out the area of all these shades. Clear? ABCD is a square, and we know that diagonal, this is the most important and main property, that diagonal of the square divide this square into 2 equal parts, and both diagonals are perpendicular bisector. Clear? If they are perpendicular bisector, that means this angle be 90 degree and all and AO है ना, AO equal to OC, BO equal to OD, because bisector भी है तो they divide at each other at midpoint. ठीक है? And the diagonal भी कितना है 32. If diagonal 32 है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा 16, 16, 16 and 16, because they cut each other at equal part. It means midpoint. Clear? Now solution. A, B, C, D is a square. It is given a, it is a square. ठीक है? And we have to find out the area of first part, first reason. Area of first reason. हमारा first reason कौन सा part है area? ABD. Yes, my dear student, if we know the height of a triangle, then we will apply half base cross height. And if we know the all 3 sides of a triangle, then we will apply Heron's formula. Here we don't know the 3 sides na, and we know the height and base. So area of first reason क्या होगा? It is a triangle half base cross height. यही होगा? Half base cross height. हाँ, base कितना है? ABD फर्स्ट रीजन है, बेस है हमारा BD. बेस की लेंथ क्या होगी 32, बिकॉज टोटल 32 है ना, हाफ 32 क्रॉस एंड हाइट AO हाइट है एंड AO की मेजरमेंट क्या है 16, हाफ 32 क्रॉस 16, 2 6 2 8 60, 32 8 256 square centimeter. This is the area of the first reason. Clear? Now we have to find out the area of second shade. सेकेंड शेड की बताना है. सेकेंड शेड क्या है? BCD ट्रायंगल. राइट डाउन एरिया ऑफ सेकेंड शेड या सेकेंड रीजन. ठीक है? क्या होगा? And I told you previously that one diagonal of a square divide this square into 2 equal triangles. If the triangles are equal, then their area will be same. अब ये BD diagonal नहीं, इसके 2 equal triangles में divide किया, तो area of ABD is equal to area of BCD. You know na? Yes, we have to write area of first second reason equal to area of first reason. Same होगा. ठीक है? Because area of ABD equal to area of BCD. तो अब सेकंड फर्स्ट रीजन का एरिया कितना है 256 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ऑल 3 शेड्स. फर्स्ट शेड का एरिया आ गया 256 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. सेकंड शेड का एरिया 256 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. नाउ we have to find out the area of the third part. Third part is in the form of a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle की फॉर्म में है और अब हमें इसका क्या निकालना है? एरिया निकालना है. Let's find out the area of this part. Okay, this is our answer, that the first and the second area 256 square centimeter. Now find out the area of third part. Write down area of third reason. Area of third reason. ठीक है? किसका है? इसका एरिया क्या है? If we know all 3 sides, then we will use Heron's formula, and if we know the height, then we find the area of the triangle half base cross height. Here in the third part, we know all the 3 sides, 6, 6 and 8. Then we have to use Heron's formula to find out the area of this triangle. Clear? A कितना है हमारा 6, B also 6 and C also 8. These all are in centimeter because इस काइट की साइड्स है ना तो सेंटीमीटर में होंगे. क्लियर. नाउ we know all the three sides, so we use Heron's formula. Heron's के लिए पहले क्या चाहिए? S. A plus B plus C by 2. ठीक है. 6 plus 6 plus 8 by 2. 20 by 2. 10 centimeter. ठीक है. Now write down area using Heron's formula. Area of third region. यही है ना? Is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. यही होगा. Now find out S की वैल्यू क्या है? 10. 10 into 10 minus 6, 10 minus 6 and 10 minus 8. Clear? Now next, 10 cross 10 minus 6 4 and 10 minus 2 8 2. Clear? Now 10 cross 4 cross 4 cross 2. 4 और 4 की पेयरिंग होगी. 10 को आप स्प्लिट आउट करो. 5 cross 2 10 होता है. क्रॉस 4 क्रॉस 4 क्रॉस ये जो 2 लास्ट में. अब 2 की पेयरिंग है 4 की. 5 की पेयरिंग नहीं है तो 4 की पेयरिंग में से 1 4 आउटसाइड. 2 की पेयरिंग में से एक 2 आउटसाइड. अंदर क्या रह गया 5. तो हमारे पास रह गया है 8 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द area, so we have to find out the exact answer. Root 5 का square root क्या होता है? You studied it in earlier classes how to find out the square root of number. Clear? Which are not the perfect square. How to find out by using divisor method. Yes, my dear students, by using divisor method we have to find out the square root and the answer will be 8 cross root 5 होता है 2.24. ठीक है? 2.24. तो 8 cross 2.24 की मल्टीपल होगी 17.92. 17. The answer will be 17.92. 92 square centimeter. This is the area of the third region. So this is इसका है area है 256. This also 256 and this also 17.92. ठीक है. We have to find out this. We have to find out how much paper of each shade has been used in it. तो आप लिखोगे area of first shade 256 square centimeter, area of second shade 256 centimeter and the third area of third shade 17.92 square centimeter. That's it, my dear students.